It's been a wonderful collaboration between Absa, Deloitte and MEST to bring this program together.
It was important for Deloitte to be here to make an impact that matters to SMEs and businesses in Ghana, help them to raise funding and give them the knowledge that they need.
This year, there are a lot more people in terms of response, and you can also see in terms of the appetite for young people to want to, venture into businesses. There is a need that as many as they are, then we need to provide more guidance, more support.
There are people who raise funding for businesses on a daily basis, so they know who are credible investors, they know which kind of investors are investing in which sectors and all of that. They're able to advise you.
I have learned so much. Going forward after this event, I believe I'm going to be a better person, putting my books together, my business plan, in order to be very ready the next time I have the opportunity to pitch to a business.